Hey guys, how's it going? How to verify your identity on Apple Pay. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the card info in your iPhone, open the wallet app, tap your Apple Cash card, and then tap the more button, and then tap the card details. Tap verify identity, follow the on-screen steps. When capturing your driver license or state ID card or passport, use these tips. Place your card on the dark background in order to verify your account, and then to rescan your photo ID, tap scan again. If your Apple Card application was declined because your identification information could not be verified. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.